only. This train is formed of 7 coaches.
Stepford Airport Parkway. The next station will be Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Airport Parkway. The next station will be Stepford Airport Parkway.
Coaches.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to
Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford.
First class is located at the front of the train.
This is Airport Terminal.
Calling at Airport Terminal 1 and train.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria.
This to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at. This train is formed of 7 coaches. Six for the 12. Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Stepford Central, City Hospital and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
This is
The train now standing at platform 5.
Welcome on.
Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Stepford Airport Central. This train is for Stepford Central. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service.